I am the Amazon rainforest, and I have been around long before you were born. I cover most of South America, but soon I won't have anywhere to be. I am home to 40,000 plant species and 2.5 million insects. Also, some flies live in my luscious green trees and use me to live. Uses: fruit, herbal medicines, 20% of your oxygen are all uses from the Amazon rainforest. Without me, you lose fruit, herbal medicines, 20% of your oxygen, and animal species that you will never discover. Do you breathe oxygen? Because I make oxygen. In fact, people call me the lungs of the earth. I am on the brink of extinction because of you. Fascinating. The Amazon rainforest is home to 40,000 plants, and that is truly fascinating. Stop killing me.